Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty Books and Pizza, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Falguni Thakkar, and today, as you guys already know from the title, I'm going to be reviewing the Pantene Oil Replacement for you guys. So now without further ado, let's begin. Let's start with the packaging first. So the Pantene Pro V Oil Replacement comes in a chic packaging like this. I really like the golden packaging, and it comes in a tube-like packaging just like any other cream product. This one is a smaller packaging and it retails for ₹85 for 80 ml of product, which I think is pretty good. And you also have a bigger packaging in this. The product over here is, I'll show you the consistency. It is quite thick, but when you start like melting it, it melts very easily into your hair. And the smell of this product is just like any other Pantene shampoo, the original Pantene shampoo, and I really like the smell. So let's see how we have to use it. So basically you can use this in two ways. The first way is right after your hair wash, when your hair is wet. You can take a walnut size amount and just apply it on your ends. And the second way is to use it when your hair is dry, like your second or third day hair. You can apply it on your ends just like I have done right now to give it a bit of life. And I must say that it does really work, because this is like my third day hair and my curls are pretty well defined, so that is a good thing. Now talking about what Pantene claims. Pantene says that this gives your hair the multiple benefits of natural oil without the inconvenience. It nourishes hair, reduces hair fall and helps repair damage. It also acts as a final touch, leaving hair soft and smooth. So with the last part I would surely agree, because it does leave your hair soft and smooth. It nourishes hair, it says, but I'm not really sure, because when you see the ingredients, all the ingredients are chemical based apart from water. Is the only natural thing. So I'm not really sure how it will replace the oil. And also talking about that, Pantene has not mentioned anywhere that you can apply it on your scalp. I don't know how they have called it oil replacement. I feel it's more like a serum replacement. And yeah, I do not really think that you can, use this in place of oil. I would definitely recommend you to use it in place of a serum, but surely I wouldn't ever replace my oil with this, because the benefits that oil gives, I don't think this chemical based product can give. But overall, if you see, it really gives you nice results if you have second or third day hair, and if you want to really spark up those ends and define your curls and stuff, then I think that this is the best product that you can invest in. But you cannot replace this with your oil. So that was it for the review. This was a quick review. I just wanted you guys to know about how this product worked for me. And yeah, that is it for the video. So if you guys really like this video and you want more such quick review videos, then please subscribe to my channel, and also please do give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.